In this FluencyLink tutorial video, you'll learn how to access teacher resources on a teacher account. Please note that trial, demo, and student accounts will not have access to these resources. You can access the teacher resources from the FluencyLink homepage. If you currently have a book open, click Back to Library in the top right to get back to the homepage. Click on Teacher Resources on the left-hand sidebar. If your title has associated teacher resources, you'll find them here. Each title has its own teacher resource document. Click on a thumbnail to open the resource document. Click on a hotspot to download a zip file of resources. Most teacher resources are split into multiple downloads by chapter, lesson, or unit. There may also be a separate download for general resources. You may also select which teacher resource zip files to download via the Resource tab on the sidebar. Once files are downloaded, access them from your computer's download folder. Do not attempt to open any files or folders from the resources until the download is fully complete. If you need assistance with opening zip files, instructions for Windows and Mac users are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.